Hi, last year I bought a polygroup summer waves pool for my grandsons. It's big enough for me and them, and they really enjoyed it last summer. Well, it's one of those that you have to blow up the ring in order to keep the water in the pool, otherwise, it comes out like a big waterfall. So, this year I put it up, and the ring wouldn't stay blown up, and of course, I lost a lot of water the first day. So I went to Menards and I bought a bunch of pool noodles. And I sliced open, and some Gorilla Tape. And then I came home, and with the help of a neighbor, I sliced open where the air would go in and stuffed pool noodles throughout the entire ring. Taped it back up, filled the pool up. And I had some people that were skeptical going, that's not going to work. Well, I think it worked. No water is coming out over the edges. The pool is staying filled. And it looks like my grandson Marky's having a good time.
Yeah.
So if you have one of these pools, don't go out and buy a new one. Take and get to Menards or the Dollar Tree or wherever and get the pool noodles and some Gorilla Tape and work the heck like I did. You're welcome.